Well, thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gathright here on the evening of February 10th, 2025. We are here to talk about the winter storm warning for most of the state of Virginia. Really, other than Winchester, extreme southwest Virginia, and the Tidewater regions of Virginia, the whole state is under a winter storm warning. We've got some winter weather advisories on those outer edges there, but pretty much the entire state's under a winter storm warning, and that begins varying times throughout Tuesday morning, depending on where you are. The farther east you go, the later the start time. But this storm actually looks to follow a pretty similar track to the storm that we had in early January. So just keeping that in mind as I'm making this forecast here. So for snowfall totals for much of the area, it's looking like Blacksburg is probably going to be around 3 inches. Charlottesville, I'm going to go with 5 inches. Richmond probably 4, and Northern Virginia probably 3 to 4. So those are some locations across the state that we've got some wilderness weather followers at, and and now the thing about this system, which makes it kind of similar to the one from January, is the farther south you go, there's going to be more sleet mixed in, and it was pretty similar to with that January storm. The ice doesn't look to be much of a concern, except for in southwest Virginia. Definitely Blacksburg, Roanoke, and especially Floyd and Carroll and Patrick counties look to have ice be more of a concern. And so for much of the state, the winter storm warning ends at 7 a.m. on Wednesday, but for that part of the state, it's for a lot of that area in southwest Virginia, the winter storm warning does not end until 4 p.m. on Wednesday, because it's mainly going to be that time period where the ice is going to be more of a concern. It's looking like snow most of the day Tuesday for much of the region, and then certainly some ice working in there at the end. So on Wednesday for southwest Virginia. So yep, that's what we got for today. Now we do want to monitor some flooding potential for Saturday into Sunday, and if there do end up being any watches or warnings issued on that, I will keep you up to date. And until then, thanks and have a great and safe evening.